Happy Christmas Eve, everybody. Tomorrow is Christmas, and today I'm drawing the winners for the December giveaway and all the December hidden giveaways. There were 5. I hope you found them all. This is a really fun giveaway. Had a fun time counting down to Christmas with you, so thank you so much for joining me. Make sure that you join me for January. January is going to be a full month focused on the step-by-step process to create a journal. And then we're going to do the how to create, and then we're going to do pages the rest of the month, and different things to create your pages, master boards, ephemera, pockets. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Of course, you can change it up however you want to. I'm going to be using Nature's Lace, which is my new junk journal kit that will be out January 1. And but you could use any kit that you want, but it's going to be real lacy and feminine. But there is a giveaway on January 31st, so you need to watch the January 1st video, and that will post on January 1st. All right, well, let's get into this giveaway. I know that everybody has festivities. If your name is called and I don't have your address, you need to go back to the video that your name comment was in and make sure that you respond so that I can get your address. I've had a couple in the last few months that have never responded, so I'm still holding their prize. Normally, within 7 days, I say, well, I'll give it to someone else. I am holding it right now, but what I'm telling you is if I don't have your address, I've never been in contact with you that way to get your mailing address, then you do need to go to the video that you commented in for your win. If your name is pulled, you only get one prize for everything. So you don't get to get multiple prizes. So just be aware of that. And now let's get in and see who wins all these wonderful things. Okay, I am zoomed in and I have all the links for each of the prizes. We're going to start with the hidden giveaways. The first one we're going to pull is the one for the stars background stamp. Oh my goodness. Okay, the stars background stamp. The word that you needed to enter was stars, so we're gonna fetch, and the keyword filter is stars. And you could enter every day, so we're gonna see how many entered. 46 got the hidden giveaway entry in, and let's pick a winner. Karen Moore. Hey, Karen, that is awesome. I'm glad that you won. Now, Karen, I don't have your address, I don't believe. And so if you can go back to your comment in the December 2nd video and just say, I won, I will respond to you and connect with you to get your address. So Karen Moore, congratulations. Happy Christmas Eve. All right, so I'm going to move things around here. The next one we're going to award is the stamp set that is the Gnome Christmas stamp set. And it is super cute. And you had to enter the word joy in the December 5th video comments. So let's see. Joy. And you could enter every day. So how many entries do we have? 46. Well, that's interesting. And Barbara Morgan won. Congratulations, Miss Barbara. All right. Barbara Morgan. Okay. If you're wondering, I'm writing down names so I don't lose them. All right. The next hidden giveaway is for the circle nesting dies. And it was the December 7th video, countdown to Christmas video, and you had to enter the word thank you. our words. And let's see how many we got here. 45. Looks like we're pretty consistent so far on who finds hidden giveaways. Leslie G. Congratulations, Leslie. That's awesome. I have your address, hon, so unless it's changed, you don't need to do anything. All right, the next one was, it is a stamp set. I have a picture of it here. It is a gift from Rochelle, and this is our live. So there was any comment that you could, that you wanted to make was available to you. And let's see, so 11, and we're going to get the comments from the live. 40. Looks like we're staying pretty around the same number of who is catching the hidden giveaway. So let's see who wins. And the winner is Tammy. Okay, Tammy, if it's okay with you, I will give Rochelle your address, and she will be sending that stamp set to you. So congratulations, Tammy. All right, the next one is this hidden giveaway for the paper bag accordion journal that I made with a Christmas card. You had to enter the words fa la la. I don't know if that was the best view of it, but anyway, it was really fun for the December 14th video for Vlogmas. So let's see how many, see if we get 40 or 45 this time. So you had to enter fa la la, 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 and you could enter every day. 34 found this one. And so Tammy, I'm sorry, you cannot win again. So I'm going to pull a different winner. And the winner is Jackie, Jacqueline Teague. Okay, congratulations, Jackie. And I do have your address, hon. So congratulations, that's going to be fun for you to play with. All right, next we're moving on to the big December giveaway. And there are a lot of prizes in this giveaway. So the first thing that I'm going to pull a winner for is the pot holders and dish towel Merry Christmas set. I know Christmas is about over, but you can use it next year. So let's go ahead and we're going to fetch the entries, and the keyword was Christmas, and you could enter every day. And let's see how many entries we have for the December giveaway. 433. Awesome. Okay, so for the kitchen towel set, the winner is Yorkie Lover. Congratulations, Yorkie Lover. Let's see, Yorkie Lover. Congratulations. I have your address, Celeste, so that is fine. All right, the next I'm going to pull for is the metal book corners. It's a whole pack. I think there's 100 here. And the winner is Nettie. Let's see, Nettie. Hopefully you'll get it, Nettie. Hopefully. All right, and then next is the junk journal bookmaking kit with the needles, the bone folders, the thread, and the awl. And the winner is Heidi Morton. Congratulations, Heidi. And I believe I have your address, Heidi. Okay, next I'm pulling the winner for the Sparkling Florals Glitter Glue. There's 3 there. And the winner is Kimberly Christie. Hope you don't have these, Kimberly. These are really fun to play with, and especially with spring coming up. These would be pretty colors. Okay. And then now I'm going to pull for these are blending brushes These are cool. You'll like these, whoever gets these. So, and the winner is Cassie Polkovich. Polkovich, is that how you say it, Cassie? All right, so Cassie, you will need to go to your own comment, and you'll need to P-A-L, let me read it, P-A-L-K-O-V-I-C-H, 32.96. Okay, so if you can go to your entry and comment I won, so claim your prize, and then I'll comment back to you to connect. That's how I do it to protect you all. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to pull the winner for is the 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. And this is the one that I opened. Sorry. This is the one that I opened on Vlogmas. So you know what's in there if you saw that one. And the winner is Laura Nix. Congratulations, Laura. And then the next Advent Calendar I'm giving away, it's already boxed up. This is the Crafter's Companion Advent Calendar from last year. And I had 2 of them, so I'm giving one away. And the winner is Pam Thito. Congratulations, Pam. And then lastly, I'm not going to pick it up, is the Mini Sewing Machine by Magicfly. It's white with purple accents on it, the buttons and stuff. So let's see who wins that. Edith Hager. Okay, Edith, I do not have your information either. So you will need to go back to your comment and go ahead and say I won, and then I'll connect with you. So there are several new people that won this time that I don't have addresses for. Please make sure to claim your prize. You go back to your comment, not in this video, but back to the original on December 1st is this one. And for Cassie. And then the other winner that I don't have an address for is Karen Moore. And Karen will need to go back to the December 2nd video and comment. So anyway, congratulations to all of you winners. You're all winners to me, and I really appreciate your support. So Merry Christmas. Have a blessed time with your family, with your friends, with your neighbors, whoever you're celebrating with. And I will talk to you soon in the next video.